Queens got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile.
I feel safe in your arms. Wanna stay with your heart.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is Simply Danzy and I'm outside. Welcome to another video. I am outside again, as I said before, and we're gonna do some adventures. I don't know why I'm clapping. I don't know what's up with that. I just want to say thank you to everybody who have subscribed already, who has been commenting, who liked, who shared, who turned on the notification bell. I really do appreciate you. I was supposed to shoot a get ready with me video, but I don't know, our time was against me. So I wanted to tell you guys that I want to start posting probably like twice per week, because now that I feel like I'm getting more comfortable on YouTube land. So I want to start giving you guys more content, you know. I want to spend more time with y'all. Today I am at Chukka. You know, I'm gonna do some things I've never done before, and a lot of persons overseas, they were telling me how appreciative they, you know, were because of the vlogs and me showing them Jamaica. And you know, because of the whole corona and the COVID virus thing, a lot of persons can't come home to Jamaica. So I feel so blessed, and I feel, you know, so good that I could, you know, give you a part of the country to persons overseas who have never like been here before. I am glad to show you, you know, places, but remember, we're a beauty, fashion, lifestyle channel, so we're gonna do more beauty stuff, we're gonna do more lifestyle stuff, but I don't want it to be like me talking to you like dictator type of thing. I want it to be cool. I want it to be a lot of content coming, and I am excited and ready to grow with y'all. I'm nervous because I'm gonna do things today where it's very out of my character. You know, I am a crybaby. I am afraid of everything. Oh, but yeah guys, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay. Alright guys, so we are going to go horseback riding right now, and I am nervous because I don't like these type of things, but you know, it's 2020, we're gonna try new things. I'm at Chukka, so yeah, I'll try to pop out the camera as much as I can.
With your heart.
Oh, I'm frightening up. Hi guys, I'm on a horsey. This horse is called Short Boss. Yeah. You'd think I'm not nervous. But yeah, I have my tested glasses on because I need to see. So I may not be looking. Hi. We are riding the horsey. Listen to me. These are the things I want me to do to get y'all content. I've never done these things in my life. Okay? I hope y'all appreciate it. Guys, I don't know, my heart's like I'm tired already, but I don't know if maybe. Oh God, the sun is hot. Guys, wait a minute. Me don't like the downhill something. Guys, oh God. Alright. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in the video. But I'm nervous. Oh God, we're going downhill. Why my blood don't like it's tired? I don't know. Wait. Good. Alright, shop boss. My time. Could have been somebody. That's not Rihanna. Okay guys, so I couldn't vlog while I was riding the horse in the water, but we are going to ride the ATV bikes now. Let me show you.
Of the Blue Oil Estate, and it's owned and operated by the Baz family. Now on tour, we do make stops just to check on each and every one here. Make sure you guys are okay and comfortable with your unit. One of these stops we'd like to share a bit of information with you guys, or better yet, give you a quick photo opportunity. You guys brought your cameras, right? Yeah. But nevertheless, you bring it at your own risk. No worries, we do have our own anti-paparazzi that will be capturing the moments from the practice area to out there in the field. So when you guys get back from tour, you can get them purchased. Yeah, man? Now, here at Chukka, safety is #1, guys. That's why we never go riding or driving without a use of a safety helmet. Now, hands and feet must be kept on and inside a unit once you're moving.
cameras because we needed both hands to ride the ATV, so I illegally like tried to clutch the camera. That was a fail. I'm having such a difficult time vlogging because the music it's stressing me out because I want to get content for y'all. But right now I'm gonna go on a catamaran, a party catamaran. Let me take the mask off. I'm going on a party boat. Guys, the sun is so hot. I know I'm gonna get sunburned. And do a lot of recording because the copyright with the music in the background, so I'm so sorry that I'm not giving.
This to the front, that's the eye slot, that's where the eye goes, similar for the nose. So all your face must be properly covered, alright? On the inside of the mask, we have a secondary seal that creates around the mask. So whenever you're going to put the mask to your face, please brush your ear back, face the wind, brush your ear back, then put the mask to your face. So this, your ear won't break the seal of the mask and have it filling up with water while snorkeling, alright? And if you put the mask to your face and you realize the mask is too tight, you want to adjust or loosen the mask, like my lady over there trying to force that mask over your head. No, don't do that, take it off. It's an easier way to do that. If you can put it on, we will help you. Hold on, just a minute, we help you. Because if you break that, we can burst the stuff, okay? Now, if you need...
So guys, I am contemplating going snorkeling and I can't swim. So I don't know if I can do it. I think I'm gonna watch persons going to watch like that. Honestly, I have on this thing, but like my nerves. So guys, I went into the water and I couldn't do it. Like honestly, I couldn't. My anxiety, I couldn't do it. Like I had to hold on. I couldn't do it, guys. I tried. But I am going to show you a video of persons doing it.
Fish cracker? Sauce! Sauce! Fish no like sauce! Hey!
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
We're checking for clarity right now. We're just checking for clarity. We're checking for sound check. We're checking for everything right now. So right about now, let's get ready, guys. To turn
guys, I had so much fun. I had fun, guys. You should visit Chukka, but you should visit with like your friends, you know, or people who you know you can have fun with. But this was a lit little trip.